Any LinkedIn profile, how to create a company page. So first of all, select here. These are all my options. Here, no company page here. Any company will be displayed by in this manage option. Go to works. In this option call is create company page. Here, three things are there: small, medium, large, showcase, and education and institutions. Suppose you go to small or medium to large. After selecting for small, you can convert into medium to large also. I'm selecting for small. My industry will be small. Now I'm selecting for my company page only for digital marketing, videos and jobs. This page will be two things purpose. Promote your website traffic. The website traffic earning the money also. By the website will be approved by Google AdSense. The clicks affected by your page likes, page followers, and your website traffic. The traffic generated by your earnings. Anything your website will be Google AdSense will be there. Digital market training, videos and jobs. And URL structure is very important. URL structure will be red mark, nothing but it already exists. I'll copy. Showing. Any username will be created only for one time. This is a major important. Then next will be your website URL. Copy. Paste it. Industry. Here. Market advertising. Company size will be 2 to 10 members. Company type public. You can choose your logo here. Logo, your wish. Settings. Tagline. The page name is the first letter will be capital. Tagline. I verify. Create a page. But previous, we get one problem is then LinkedIn. Any LinkedIn has a zero connections or below 10. They not create the company page. The problem will resolve by the LinkedIn profile to create a company page. Previous logic, any company profile, zero connections or below 10 connections, they not create the LinkedIn company page. They not create the LinkedIn company page. Now new algorithm is called your profile will one connection or zero. The LinkedIn page will be created. LinkedIn page will be company page will be created. Get started. Always remember, once you start this one, you have to finish the all options. After they showing for your done, great job. When showing for great job or congratulations, nothing but your page will be success will be created. Short description, tagline, save. Next overview, add it. Here add your phone number. Year of phone in for 2019. Combining everything. As specialization, digital marketing, SEO, SA. Now click for that. Next, very important, add location. Is India. Street address. I'm adding some Madhapur. hashtag, writing for hashtag. See how many things are there, understanding. This is a very important by your how many hashtag we can add only for three hashtag. This time are common, SM and SA will be common. In this one, you're changing for social media. Click for say. Now you have the zero groups. Later add the your future groups. Everything done. Tick mark, button done. Overview, location, hashtag done. Or the pinning for future group. In my profile has a zero groups. I'm not adding any groups. Manage language, English. If any other language, add by other languages. Now done. Then we're showing for congratulations. You have all star stages. Cover picture. The cover picture 1536 into 768. 1536 into 768. Select it, paste it, save. Please note on LinkedIn company by size 1536 into 768. Now we're showing for follow button. Now show up for follow button. Now we also the same option start post by promoting documentation, by video and by photo. Here also video will be accept only for 10 minutes video. Now I'm posting for video here. I question for I can upload by more than 10 minutes video. What happened? Go to Zoom. Upload. Only for 10 minutes video will be applicable. So there is a marketing method. So in this I'm going for here. I'll show you the video. 14 minutes. 9 minutes 50 seconds. Your question. The 9 minute 50 second video upload or not? Exact up to 10 minutes the video will be uploading. 10 minutes 1 second also will be not upload. 1 second also will be not accept. Exactly 10 minutes is the accepting time. Any video uploading main drawback is called they're not showing for your photo. There's a showing for blank photo. The major one that is called uploading for anything here. Your video title and your video title also will be go for only for 45 characters. How many? 45 characters. Here you can select by your image. Select by your image. Image will be select by this image will be only for valid for company page. Only valid for company page. See. Done. Next. And post it. Always don't forget the hashtags. Don't forget the hashtags. Now click for post. Then here nothing option will be there, same like profile. We can't share in by page to Twitter, page to anywhere. We can't accept. Only will be shared by page. Now we get page to shared by profile to groups. Now I'll discuss about next one. Anything your page followers are increasing based on the videos and post and the link promotion and documents. More reach will be documents. More reach will be documents. It's a very powerful, getting for more views. Uploading video here. Before that, I'm uploading any documentation. Dropbox, OneDrive. Two options are accept. Dropbox and OneDrive. Choose file. Select your folder. Document. Select your title and your documentation. Document total is showing on the document method by video format. This is everything. How many pages we have displayed? 5. Now click for next. More company page shares and values depend on your option is called share the document. Select it. So always keep it in mind and don't forget the hashtags. Still uploading here. Wait. Is it clear? So this is called your company page promotion. In this documentation, so we can add on here. I'm changing for second option. Can add by PPT. So any document will be issues can add by PPT also. I'll go to next method. So most of the view will go for in this documentation. Very important thing is called PDF is more important. PDF is the more important. Document to go for PDF. PPT also go for which one? PDF. Choose file. Setting in the PDF format. Anything will be facing problem. Go for PDF format. See this one. Your download document and as a PDF. Download. But PDF will be very fast to upload on your LinkedIn profile. So is a PDF will be very powerful on your option. Next, click for post. Now guys, look this one. See this. Same like showing for video type. But you have to click the mouse button. It's clear. Compare the document and PPT. PDF will be first to submit on the LinkedIn profile. Document accept, PPT accept, but PDF will be more fast accepting. That is called Word to PDF and PP to PDF is more important to submit on the LinkedIn company page, increase the followers and increasing more reach the audience. Which one? LinkedIn company page. Now, in company page, how to increase using profile? That is called first, copy the content, select your notepad, paste it. In this above, select it. Option call is copy link to post. Copy link to post. Select your LinkedIn profile. My new company page, I'm increasing to using LinkedIn profile. Start post. Paste it. Control here, post here. Link will be your interest. You are adding or not. Now click for post. Do what one is my post will be done and my increase my page followers. It's a very important logic on your particular Facebook page. Increase your followers. My profile, add my news. Second thing is add my the followers. Two things. But in your profile will be zero connection. No use increase your company page followers. So these all depend on your connections. So what are the company page you're creating? The most important your profile connection, increase your page followers. It's a very important and particular option is called LinkedIn company page promote using profile. One is paid, organic will be only thing is company page, post on your profile, profile will shared by groups and shared by your profile connections. It's a very important option and particular things. It's a very on your create the company page and promote your company page.